Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday September the 21st 2020. Yes, only one Sudoku, a regular Sudoku in this newspaper. It's Monday. Yes, and there is also an additional in this newspaper with 7 extra Sudokus. But first one is this a regular Sudoku, and this one will be number 1576. And before I start, I always count the printed digits so you have an indication of the difficulty level. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, the 1 star has 27, the 4 stars 24. Let me see how many this Sudoku has. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. 8, 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 4 is 20. We have here 26, equal to 26. So it's a 2 stars Sudoku. Yes, alright, so let's get started. I see here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have the 6 and the 7 in this column. So no 6 and the 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 9. And look, we have the 4 and the 9 here, so 1 digit left should be the 2. The 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then let me see which number can I use. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 8. And look, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. We have the 8 there, so no 8 there. So 1 digit left. Here should be the 1. The 5 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait for more information. I marked them for you, so it's easier to follow. These 2 boxes in this row are the numbers and 4 and 3. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes in this row are for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then 5, 6, 7. Then one of the missing number in this big square is the 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in the last column, a 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Now We have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2, it should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then let me see. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, alright. Then, here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 5 and the 3. No, 3 we have. 5 and the 9. Let me mark them for you. 5 and the 9. It's a pair. Alright. So, the other 2 numbers in this column should be the 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Or there we see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, the last column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. Then, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be here. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 5. Then 1 box left in this column for the number 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 7. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes here. Then 2, 3, 9. Alright. 5, 7. In the third row, we have 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 5, the 7, and the 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this big square. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 9. 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Then, how about these 2 numbers in the middle column for the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And I remember those 2 numbers in this third row are reserved for the 5 and the 7. We have a 7 now, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the third column, only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 5 should be there. We have here the 5 and the 9 left. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. And this should be the 9. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4. Yes. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 3, I believe. 8 and 3. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8 and 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this third column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 6 and the 3. We have now a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 3 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And then 9 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this middle square, big square, for the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 now. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finishing 12 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time with the extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.